Alright, this is a cicada that I caught at that place last night. Actually, there's two in there, but just in case one died, I want to make sure there's another one. But I'm gonna try and feed him to my immature male. Grandma stole the Rosie. Pulled its wings off so he couldn't fly away. All that good jazz. Let's see what happens. I think my tarantula's scared of it. Let's see what happens. Come on. Come on, get him. Bite his ass. Bite his ass. Yeah, I think he's scared of him. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Sink those teeth in, buddy. Sweet. Get a close up on that. Took him a while. He thought about it, and then he hit him. Sweet. That's awesome. I just wanted to document that. That is sweet. Alright, guys.